Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you a new feature that I added, really small, won't take very long at all. In the archive section, where you can sort through smartphone apps to pay you, I add some about every month, 30 or so. I added a sorting feature called Engage Me TV and S'mores TV rates. So I curated some data for the Engage Me TV partner websites that allow you to watch videos through that, as well as S'mores TV. And basically you can check which ones pay the most currently. If you notice any errors here, of course you can always submit the error forms for the archives. I just changed the values from 250 points to 500 for finding errors as well. And yeah, you can just look at the Engage Me TV and S'mores rates, see which one's the best. I don't have the TechSlugs on here. I never put the TechSlugs on this archive section, even though there are some earning features on the TechSlugs. And by the way, it's in percentages, and just understand that it's based on the fact that every 3 videos, earning 1 cent is equal to 100%. So earnably, take for instance a really good one with a very good rate is at 80%. That means you earn $0.008, not 0.01, which would be 100%. So that's how that works, and it's just a way to sort them really simply. And yeah, if you know any other ones that are partnered with Engage Me TV, I can add the information or the whole listing in the archives to the contact form. These are just the ones I know of, so it's pretty interesting to look at this to see how everything stacks up against each other. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. 2 other things. The promotion is still going on the TechSlugs. I've had that been going for a while, where it's just 10 points per 3 video watches. 1,000 points equals $1, so it's a cent on all the videos here. It's a promotional thing. And then, of course, we are still working on Sync Rewards. I just redesigned the website, and I'll be trying to explain better, or emphasizing how we give you more points when it comes to earning Bitcoins online through the same ways you earn money through like Engage Me TV and stuff. But basically how it works is it tracks the value of, the points track the value of the Bitcoin, so that way you're always earning maximum amount at maximum times. Since the videos you watch, the people who pay for you to watch those videos don't pay in Bitcoin, they pay in dollars, so we're trying to make it so the points match up correctly at all times, so you're earning the most depending on the value of Bitcoin. Yeah, that'll be explained better on here, though. I just wanted to mention those 2 things I'm working on. But that's all I had to say for this video, so I'll see you guys later in other videos.